Install the dash harness for the Phoenix. While the 3-position light toggle switch is pre-installed on the dash harness, it will be disconnected in later steps. So note how the switch and dash harness reconnect. With the double bar icon on the toggle switch held in the top position, install the 2 zip tied together yellow wires to the center pins on the back of the switch. Viewed from the back of the switch, connect a blue wire to the top left pin. Then connect the second blue wire to the bottom left pin. Last, connect the remaining third yellow cable to the top right pin. The double bar icon on the switch controls the headlights, halo lights, and optional light bar, and the single bar icon controls the halo lights only. Connect the power relay to the 4 connectors on the dash harness. The 2 small spades connect to the relay small ports, and the 2 large spades connect to the large side port and the top corner port. Any component disconnected at any time must be reconnected the same way as in these steps. Now install the dash harness in the dash. Locate the turn signal and set it down temporarily. Route the dash harness 6-pin connector cable end through the inside back opening in the dash and out the front cowl passenger side headlight area. Then, connect the dash harness 12-pin connector to the previously installed bucket harness 12-pin connector. Now, go back to the turn signal and temporarily connect its 9-pin connector to the dash harness 9-pin connector. In a later step, the turn signal will be permanently installed on the steering column. Temporarily connect the previously removed key switch by connecting the blue and green wires on the factory harness to the 2 key switch pins. This will be used for system testing. Now, set the harness down, and in a later step, the key switch will be permanently installed on the dash. DoubleTake, because looks matter.